3 tips to properly install and use snow chains. Snow chains are fitted to a vehicle's tire and provide traction when driving in snowy condition. They are commonly used in snowy areas, and sometimes obligatory for safe handling. Here we will share some important tips regarding installation and proper use of snow chains during the winter. 1. Buying the right size snow chains. Make sure that you buy the right size snow chain for your tire. You need to know the exact size of the chain that will work for your vehicle. For this, you need to find out the tire's width, height, and diameter. This is usually written on the tire itself. For instance, the tire size for 2017 Honda CR-V AWD-X is 235/60ths R18. The first number, 235, is the tire width, the second number, 60, is the tire height, and the third number, 18, is the tire diameter. Knowing about the tire size will help you select a snow chain that perfectly fits your tire. 2. Practice installing the snow chain's cables. After you have purchased the snow chain, you should practice installing the chain at home. It's a good idea to practice putting on the snow chains so that you become comfortable using them when on the road. To install the snow chains, you should first remove them from the packaging. Next, you should untangle them so that they hang free in a web-shaped pattern. You need to install the chains both on the front and the back tires of the vehicle. Before installing the snow chains, make sure that the vehicle is in gear and that the handbrake is on. You should start at the top and then cover the rest of the wheel. However, you should note that you cannot cover the part of the tire that is touching the ground. You can also watch the following video to know how to properly install the snow chains. 3. Take proper care. When driving with the snow chains or cables installed, you should not exceed the speed by 30 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour. Also, avoid spinning the tires as it can damage the snow chains. You should also keep about 8 seconds distance from the vehicle in front of you, and brake early when stopping. In case the snow chains become loose, you should stop the car on the side road and immediately fix the chains. The chains should be fitted tightly. Loose chains can cause steering problems as they can wrap around the axle.